The 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door, three-passenger truck provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.